Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone SE 3rd generation or the 22 model here, where you completely delete everything and erase all of your data. And this is something you want to do if you're going to be selling your iPhone, giving it to someone, trading it in. Basically, all of your information will be wiped after you follow this process. So let's get started. So before you do go ahead and wiping out your phone and factory resetting it, I highly recommend you back up your device. So there's couple ways to back up, but one of the simplest way is using your iCloud by going to your setting, click on your iCloud profile here, and then click on iCloud, and then you see here where it says iCloud backup. If you want to turn this on, and then click on backup now, and generally you want to make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data and it's powered on as well, so that the backup can happen. The other way to backup, of course, is using your iTunes on your computer, which is a free app you can download, which we explain in another video if you want to check that out. But once you have backed it up, you can go ahead and wipe it out if you don't want to, if you're backed up basically. But you don't have to back it up if you don't want to. But we're in settings now, so in order to start the process to factory reset it, all you do is go into settings and then go to general, and then go all the way down here where it says transfer reset iPhone. You click on that, and then you'll see the option to erase all content and setting. And once you click on that, it's going to tell you what's going to happen here. It's going to erase about how much data it has. It will remove your Apple ID account, will turn off Find My, and anything in your wallet and such. So we'll hit continue here. And first thing is we get to enter the passcode of the phone here. So I'm going to enter that in. And then it's going to try to do a backup if you didn't do a backup, but you can skip that if you don't want to. And then the next thing is you have to remove the Find My and activation log by entering your current Apple ID password. And if you don't do that or forgot your password, you can also forget it. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the password here really quick. All right, so enter my password, and then you can click on turn off on the top here. And if you do that, you want to try click on it again. Sometimes it takes a try or two, and then a menu should pop up where it says basically confirming if you want to reset everything, and this cannot be undone. That's why you'd want to do a backup if you want to keep your data. So I'm going to click on erase here, and then it begins the process for erasing the phone. Now the process here generally is really quick, takes a couple minutes. I highly recommend that your phone is at least 50% or more charged. The reason why that is, if you are doing it and the phone dies, it might not complete the process. So again, really want to make sure that you will have enough charge while you're doing this process. So as you can see, it's happening. The other thing is you'll need an internet connection whenever you're doing any sort of factory reset. And the reason is if you're logging out of your iCloud account, it needs to connect to the internet so that it can be removed from Apple servers. So that's why you want to be connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data during the whole process. So if you took your SIM card out and don't have Wi-Fi or need to connect to cellular data, make sure your SIM card is on during the process. And if you have a SIM card, this will also remove the SIM card from that phone, like the eSIM card. And the other thing you want to do is if you're going to be, let's say, giving away, selling it, or basically trading on the device, you can also take the SIM card out of the phone. So in order to take the SIM card, there's a SIM hole here on the iPhone SE. You can take the SIM ejector tool, or if you have like a paper clip like that, fold it this way, you can pretty much press it in here. So what you'll do is just put it in here and then press it in firmly. That will pop out the SIM tray, and then if you have a SIM card in there, you want to remove that as well as an additional step. And once you get to this hello screen, which we just seen right now, this means we have successfully factory resetted, wiped out, and deleted everything that we had of our personal photos, videos, apps, any information you had. And once you get to this screen, basically the next person that gets it will be able to set up like a fresh new phone, because everything else in the previously has been wiped out. So that's it for pretty much doing a factory reset on the iPhone SE 3rd generation. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.